In this video, I am going to discuss a species area relationship. German naturalist and geographer Alexander von Humboldt observed that within a region species richness increased with increasing explored area but up to a limit. The relationship between species richness and area for a wide variety of taxa like vascular plants, birds, bats, and freshwater fishes appears as a rectangular hyperbola. On a logarithmic scale, the relationship is a straight line described by the following equation. These are the straight line and this is described by the following equations like log s is equal to log c plus z log a, where s is equal to species richness, a is equal to area, z is equal to slope of the line, regression coefficient, line is known as regression coefficient coefficient or c is equal to y intersect. The value of z lies in the range of 0.1 to 0.2 regardless of taxonomic group or the regions. What here? It is plants in Britain, birds in California, or molluscs in New York State. Slopes of regressions are similar. However, the analysis in a very large area like whole continent gives a z value that range from 0.6 to 1.2. The best example for this are frugivorous like fruit-eating birds and mammals in the tropical forest of different continents. The slope is 1.15. So these are the species richness area relationship between log s is equal to log c plus z log a. So what is and discuss the importance of species diversity to the ecosystem. Ecosystem believe that communities with more species tend to be more stable than those with less species. This was confirmed by David Tillman. Characteristics of a stable community like productivity should not vary too much from area to area. Second, it should be resistant to occasional natural and man-made disturbance. And third point and third characteristics of a suitable community is it should be resistant to invasions by alien species. So these 3 points are shows the characteristics of a stable community. Importance of biodiversity for several or survival of a species can be explained by the river popper, rivet popper hypothesis proposed by Paul Ilrich. Paul Ilrich. This hypothesis assumed the ecosystems to be an air plant and the species to be the river to the rivets joining all parts together. If every passenger pops a rivet to take home, it may not affect the flight safely initially, but with time, as more rivets are removed, the place becomes dangerously weak and fatal to the life of other species. So these are the importance of species diversity. So next topics we discuss loss of biodiversity. Loss of biodiversity. Biodiversity. It is caused by overpopulations, urbanizations, and industrialization. The colonizations of tropical Pacific islands by human has led to the extinctions of more than 2000 species of native birds. 15,500 species are facing the threat of extinctions worldwide. IUCN Red List 2004 documents extinctions of 784 species including 338 vertebrates, 359 invertebrates, and 487 plants in last 500 years. At present, 31% of gymnosperms, 32% of amphibians, 12% of birds species, and 23% of mammals face the threat of extinction. Some recently extinct species are dodo, Cougar, Africa, Thylacine, settlers, sea cows, Russia, and 3 tigers species, Java, Caspian, and Bali. In last 20 years, 27 species have disappeared. There has been 5 episodes of mass extinctions of species and the 6th extinction is going on. But it is 100 to 1000 times faster than the earlier ones. Loss of biodiversity in a region may lead to decrease in plant productions, decrease in plant production, less resistant to environmental less resistance to environmental disturbance. Disturbance like droughts and increase variability variability of ecosystem process like plants productivity, water use, pest and disease cycles. So these are the laws of biodiversity. Thank you.